Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the Adobe Firefly color and tone. So my prompt is a chubby reddish bulldog wearing a cowboy hat with an old western town background. So for this one, I do want to use the photo for the content type, and I'm going to go ahead and add the black and white. It's already loading the image, so now I have to change it. Let me select black and white and then click on generate. These are the results for the black and white. I really like the way the background turned out. This is the warm tone. This is the cool tone. This is that vibrant color. And the last option is the pastel color.